Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today in the bakery we're going to be making a Rocky Mallow Slice. Now, just to give you a good idea of what this product's all about, the base part is basically a rocky road, and the top part is the marshmallow cream we made previously in another video. I will put the link down below in the description for the cream, and obviously you will see the rocky road being made once again, or you can run on that bit. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. The recipe is under the video. Right guys, the first job we do, put your biscuits into a plastic bag. Right, now what we're going to do is give this a good smash up. That's it. Put them back into the bowl. Now we're going to melt down the chocolate, the golden syrup, and the butter. Right, that's ready. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add in the biscuits. Right, now we get our tray. This is a 30 by 40 centimetre tray. And our baking paper. Just pop that on. Now we just pop all the content of this onto the top. Now, what we want to do now, guys, roll it out. So you're covering the base. Another trick, guys, put your bit of water over your rolling pin. This also helps to roll out. And there we go, guys. Now we're going to go and pop that into a fridge. Right, guys, we've just got this out the fridge. Now we're ready to start. Right, first guys, to melt down your marshmallow. Right, we're going to pop the marshmallows into a microwave for around about 1 to 2 minutes. So they're just breaking down. Right, let's have a look. Oh yes, they're ready now. So then what we're going to do is beat them up so they're nice and light. So it actually looks like a marshmallow cream. There we go. Right then, the next part, put your butter into the machine bowl and break it down with the end of the beater. Now if it is a little bit too hard, just pop the butter into a microwave for a few minutes just to start melting down. Right, well now we're going to mix this for around about 1 to 2 minutes, just to lighten the butter or margarine. There you go, it's really starting to look good. Now we'll take the bowl off and give it a good scrape down. Now add in half your icing sugar. Be careful with all the dust coming off of it. Be very careful when you put it onto the machine bowl. I'd advise you to take it very steady. You don't want to cover your kitchen in icing sugar. Gently. First speed is plenty. Just work it up very slowly, your speed. And now you can whack it up a bit. Right then, we'll add in the second part of the icing sugar. Gently, just do this on first speed so it's just ticking over. There we go. Now just scrape the bowl down, just get that butter off the base. That's it, scrape it down. Now you want to do is pop your bowl back onto the machine and beat it up now for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Right then, we'll take off the beater and the bowl. Now add in the marshmallow cream. Now get your spatula and give this a good scrape down and mix in. That's how it's starting to look. That's it. Now get a good scrape round. Always make sure you get that off the bottom of the base, the butter. Right, we'll put in some vanilla essence. This is what I use in this particular recipe. And now we'll put the machine bowl back onto the machine. And now what we're going to be doing is beating it up for around about 5 minutes. So you get a nice light cream. That's it. There we go. You can see it's starting to get lightened. That's it, whack it up. If your machine can coat with full power, whack it right up to the top. Right then, we're ready. Get your tray. Now we're going to put the contents of the bowl onto the base. Marshmallow cream, lovely stuff. Right, now spread this out to the edges. Nice and evenly. Just getting into those corners. That's it, it's starting to look lovely. Right, there we go. Now you want to let this dry for at least a good hour or 2. Right, now we're going to melt down some chocolate. And now we're going to put the chocolate onto the top. Oh, that's starting to look good. Now what you want to do is lift your tray up and roll it around. Left, right, forward, side. So it's actually evenly spreading the chocolate out. It's much easier doing this way, so it gets that nice, even finish. A little tip when you're doing the chocolate is it's better to do it on a bain-marie more so than in a microwave, because it is a better way of doing chocolate. Now we let this dry for around about a good 2 hours. Now what we're going to do now is cut off all the edges. Get yourself some water, warm water, a knife and a nice wet cloth. Now all we're going to do now is cut off all the edges. Always dip your knife into the water. That gives you a nice clean cut as you're going down through the marshmallow. Right, now we're going to mark them up. It's 5 by 4. So we're going to get 20 slices out this one piece. If you haven't got a set of wheels like this, then use a tape measure. Like that. That's it, cutting down through nicely. You're not going to cut straight down through, so you might have to use your knife 3 or 4 times down the same piece. But always make sure you get plenty of water on the knife so it cuts down nice and clean through the marshmallow cream. That is absolutely starting to look lovely. And that's it, guys. Oh, that is scrummy. As you can see, we've taken a few out so you can have a look inside. That is absolutely delicious. Guys, that is a recipe you need to be doing. I can honestly say that cream just melts in your mouth. Add that to the Rocky base, it's lovely. It can be a bit sweet, but you know, it's a product that's gonna be sweet anyway. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and please share. And do check out the description below for any playlists, and also your recipe is below in the description. Anyway, we'll see you again. Laters!